Hello guys, today I'm talking about the hazel and how to use it. Hazel species are deciduous, mostly single-stem trees or shrubs that reach heights of 3 to 15 meters. The shrubs mostly branch into a variety of branches without forming a main trunk. The trunks and branches are round. Here in Austria, the common hazel is native. The common hazel is a multi-stemmed shrub, as you can see here, which grows about 2 to 6 meters high. The leaves are about 6 to 10 centimeters long and just as broad. They are heart-shaped and the edge is serrated. The bark is shiny light brown with horizontal cracks. The bark is very easy to remove from the young twigs, especially in spring, and can be used as a string. You can leave the bark as it was pulled off or weave it into an even stronger string. These are the male flowers. These male inflorescences are about 10 centimeters long. The female flowers are very inconspicuous and difficult to recognize. They look out of the closed branch buds and are reddish. The fruits are nut fruits which are about 2 centimeters long and wide. Usually the hazel forms groups of 1 to 4 hazelnuts. The fruits are edible raw. If they are dried after collection, they can be used for baking, in cereals, and for spreads. Short roasting intensifies the nut aroma of the protein and fat-rich fruits. The young leaves can be used to make a mild tea out of. The branches and trunks of the hazel can be used very well for spears or arrows, due to their straight growth. In former times, the wood was also used for walking sticks. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.